the powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie for arthritis knee pain relief. Hi, I'm going to reveal to you a smoothie recipe that could forever change your life and your taste buds. Plus one ancient Chinese secret ingredient backed by scientific research to reduce joint pain fast. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can receive my free Knee Pain Hacks ebook that will give you 10 tips that will have you walking around pain-free in no time at all. Many people don't realize that knee pain and other joint pains can happen at any age. And because of this, many people deal with that pain until it becomes unbearable. The pain can be so bad that you miss out on doing the things you love, or even simple daily chores that you used to be able to do easily. Your legs do the most work of your entire body. Holding up your entire body weight all day can put a huge strain on your knees, which can make the pain you're experiencing even worse. Fortunately, this powerful and delicious smoothie can help relieve some of the pain you are feeling, and most importantly, can reduce the swelling on your knees. Remember, if your pain persists, you should seek medical attention. Let's get into these ingredients. 1 cup of pineapple skinned and chopped. Pineapple is delicious and full of vitamin C. Vitamin C is great for reducing inflammation in the body. But what makes pineapple so powerful when treating knee pain is the proteolytic enzyme bromelain, found in the core of this tropical fruit. Bromelain has been successful in treating many different forms of arthritis. 1 cup of frozen mangoes. The antioxidants in mangoes have been shown to help keep arthritis from getting worse. Vitamin E is an immunity booster that can help with chronic knee pain, and in some cases has been shown to be better than anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin and ibuprofen. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil has important fatty acids that are essential for your body to function properly, and is also a great anti-inflammatory. As an added bonus, it's been found to aid in weight loss. 1 tablespoon of ginger. Gingerols and ginger have been found to be very beneficial to people who suffer from chronic knee pain. Studies have shown improved mobility and major reduction in pain and inflammation when eating ginger. Now I'm going to reveal to you the ancient Chinese secret ingredient proven by science. Turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric paste to the smoothie. Scientific research has been done extensively on turmeric, and the research has been astonishing. In 2006 and 2010, multiple scientific studies showed how powerful turmeric is in fighting against different forms of arthritis. It's also been used in Chinese Ayurvedic medicine. Turmeric reduces pain and stiffness in the knee and has been found to help people suffering from arthritis. Place all these ingredients with 1 to 1/2 cups of cold water into a blender and enjoy. A list of all the ingredients will be down below in the description, so you can go ahead and copy the recipe there. As I said earlier, I have a 100% free action plan with 10 tips to get rid of knee pain quickly. We put a lot of time and effort into these tips to make sure that you'll be walking around pain-free in no time at all. So if you want to go claim your ebook, all you have to do is go to www.kneepainhacks.com. Again, it's 100% free. All you have to do is go to www.kneepainhacks.com or click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos when I release them, and comment down below if you have any questions at all. Feel free and I'll answer them. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.